Josh, can I talk to you? Josh? Look, baby, I love you. I don't know what's happened to us. But this is not the marriage I envisaged. What's going on?
What are you saying?
Let's call it truce. Sweetie, I'm tired of fighting.
Okay then. Sign it.
And what is that?
The truth that you want. The truth that we both need.
Can I at least have an idea what it is you want me to sign?
So what, you don't trust your husband anymore?
I'll sign it. So can I look at it?
No, give that to me.
Why can't I look at what I just said?
Because I say so.
What? Jesus Christ! Divorce papers?
Give that back to me.
You want to divorce me? You truth me?
That's the truth that you want.
It's not going to happen. It's going to happen over my dead body, you hear me?
Give that back to me. Give it up.
Leave me alone.
Give that back to me.
Doctor. Oh, madam. How is my daughter? Please, where is the husband?
Doctor, he's gone.
He's coming. The prognosis wasn't definite, but with the look of things, he might be wheelchair bound. For life.
No! No! Doctor, that means she's paralyzed.
No, partial paralysis. You see, she can make use of her hands, but she cannot make use of her legs. Let's hope it is a temporary situation.
Doctor, that means my daughter is crippled?
Madam, I wouldn't put it that way. If the swelling in her spines reduces fast enough, you see, she will walk again. But if it doesn't, she might not.
Oh. What kind of temptation is this? Okay, doctor. Is there nothing we can do to reverse the situation?
Yes. We have done our best. Oh. Let us hope that the swelling in her spines reduce faster. Then she will have some measure of feelings in her lips. Please, madam.
Good morning, darling.
And what are you doing here?
Mommy said I should come and tell you that if you don't come to the house this weekend, she'll personally come herself and go to your home.
You mean you drove all the way down here just to tell me that?
Yep. And in my new car. It's outside.
You are spoiled beyond redemption. You know that? And hey, tell Mom to leave you alone.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
Okay. Fantastic then.
For it's a blind taboo in mind. Now stand with what's spoken over time. Think us down like spilling, blinding the mind's eye.
Don't hurt yourself, okay? I like playing. That's all they do. Please, children. Oh. So how are you feeling?
Melody, Mary, you go in and rest now. Go in. Mommy, Grandma wants to talk to you.
Mama.
What possessed you, Teresa? What devil pushed you?
Mama, this is not the time, eh?
When is the time? Huh? For 1 week, we have been on the edge because of your stupidity.
I don't understand. What's upsetting you?
Oh, you are asking me? You don't know what you did, eh? You see? Joshua said it. That you were drunk that night. How will you remember?
Wait. Drunk? Me?
I've never been drunk all my life. What are you talking about? If you weren't drunk, you wouldn't have packed your things and threatened to leave your husband.
Pack my things and go where? What's going on? I don't understand. Mama, this can wait. But do you mind just giving me an explanation of what this is? I mean, what was all that for? What's going on?
Just as the wind dances in my hair, on the ocean versages my breath.
Is the driver back?
No, sir. Are you going somewhere?
1 minute. Yeah. Okay, I'll talk to him soon. I need to make a quick dash to my in-laws place.
Is your wife okay?
Yeah, she just got out of the bathroom or something.
I thought she's better.
I guess so. I'll be back before you close the work. Okay?
Okay, so what about the contract stuff?
Yes, I'll attend to that when I get back. Okay? Rennie, I just want to say thank you. Your attitude to work. I really didn't know what I would have done around here without you. Thank you. Secondly, I want to thank you for the surprise party. That was very thoughtful. I don't remember the last time I was celebrated. Thank you, I appreciate it.
So, sorry, you don't have to thank me. I did all that for you, and I'm still going to do more.
Thank you.
Awesome. Have a nice day.
You too.
For it's a blind taboo in mind.
Yes.
Now stand with what's spoken over time. Pain cuts down like spilled rain, blinding my
Hello?
mind's eye.
Yeah, hi, Mom. I'm fine. Hey. Yes. Yeah, Mom, Robert said I should tell you.
Leave me alone.
Yes. Alright, hold on.
Hello, Mom. Oh, of course not. I couldn't have said that, Mom. Mom. Look, Mom, I have been very busy. Okay, fine. I'll see you before the end. Okay? All right. Bye.
Why don't you want to come home?
Because Mom keeps bugging me. It's always the same thing. Marriage and me with a budget.
But seriously, how do you find fun working in a nut house? That's insane.
All right. I think I've had enough of you for one day. So, get your over-pampered self out of my house.
Anyway, I think Mom's trying to hook you until up.
Can you just go?
Love you.
I know. Just go. Thank you.
I just said I love you.
Okay. Go.
Bye.
Yes. He said you both got into an argument because you were drinking. And the next thing he did was pack your stuff. He was only trying to stop you, but you were running away from him. And that is when you fell down the stairs.
He's lying!
Please, calm down.
How can you tell me to calm down when my own husband comes to my home and feed my parents with lies? For Christ's sake, he is the one who wanted a divorce. He tried to trick me into signing the divorce papers, and when I refused.
Don't get wrong.
Do you even believe it? Do you even believe a word of what I just said? Do you believe me, Lizzie?
Tess, you were making of alcohol when you got to the house.
I would just wake up and leave my husband of 9 years after 2 kids? How could you? How could you?
That's a game, love a game. Reality I bring comes crashing like a train. Love at last.
I am a fool. That's not how to do. I am a sea. I am a sea. They lie. Mary like fighting. My mommy and daddy is fighting.
How are you? Good. Oh, I missed you. So I had to drop everything and rush down here.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I called you so we could discuss about Teresa and the children. Now she's out of the hospital. She can't go back home because she needs care.
Yes, I've been thinking about that. I'm making arrangements to get a maid, to help out with the house chores and also help out with the children.
Okay, that's fine. But I was going to suggest that they stay here for a while with us, at least until she gets stronger.
Oh, great. Oh, that would be such a relief for me. It will also give me ample time to get a very good maid.
God will punish you, Joshua. God will punish you for everything you have done to me. My God will continue to punish you. Teresa! He put me in this wheelchair. He put me in this condition. And now, leave me alone! He's sitting down there acting like a loving and caring husband that is not.
Calm down, Tess.
Shut up! Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down, okay? You did this to me. You pushed me down that stairs. Jesus wept. Teresa, what has gotten into you? Mama, you put me in this condition. You pushed me down that stairs. Why can't you say it? You coward! That's enough. Enough of that, Teresa. You can't speak to your husband in that way in front of us and your children. What is wrong with you?
It's okay, Mom. It's okay. I'm sure the stress of the whole ordeal is getting to her. She probably needs to get some rest.
I'm sorry, Mike. I'm sorry. Oh? I'm sorry for her.
No, it's okay, Mom. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, it's not easy for her too, you know, learning that you will not be able to walk again after an accident.
I've been a product of pain, came to me like so vain. The promises you made to me, never going down to love. Love itself. When I walk out, you only let me dance, Joko see let me, oh me Lara, dance to me Lara. Baby, can't you see? I'm right anymore. When you smile, you give me light. When you speak, you give me light. When you leave, you give me joy. Out of the cycle of time to the cycle of joy. I won't say no again that you wanna play me. If I say I won't say no
Baby,
that you
look gorgeous.
If I say yes, say only, say me, say down on bended knees. Said you'll be there for me. Riding up my life, my sunshine in my life.
Show me that.
Said you'll be there for me. Riding up my sunshine in my life. My mama told me one day, Sanya, ooh, baby girl, you better be careful. Lover boy, listen to me. I've got a question for you. Are you a Hersey or a boyfriend? I wanna know. I to remember.
Mama, you remember? You remember when I used to come crying, complaining to you about the things that Joshua was doing to me, and you would tell me to persevere and be strong. How could he walk in here and say lies against me and you believe him over me?
Because you've threatened to leave him several times. I used to beg you to stay. You finally attempted to leave.
I did not.
But see where it has landed you?
I did not.
On a wheelchair.
I didn't try to leave him. He pushed me down the stairs.
Teresa. Teresa. You put everybody in this way. You don't know whether you will walk again. Yet you keep on making these accusations against everybody.
You've been threatening to leave Joshua because he treats you bad. Now you have your wish. I hope you are happy.
I don't believe this. I don't believe this. I don't believe this. It's not happening to me. This cannot be happening to me. I am not mad. I cannot be mad for what I saw. I remember what happened to me. I remember what happened to me. Don't tell me to get to sleep.
The promises you made so vague. Never want to doubt your love. Love it's all around. When a walk like Kuroni let me.
Darling.
just as the wind dances in my hair. On the ocean versages my thoughts, and as the sun folds me in.
Hey, Robert. Rob, Mom's here. Hey. How are you? You look so terrible. Are you okay? Yes, I did. Come on, you look. Come on, get up. Up, my friend. Go take your shower. I look recognizable. Up, come on.
No, I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to sit down here and listen to you for 10 minutes. Then I'll go back to bed.
You see, if you had agreed to work in your father's company, you wouldn't be looking this tired.
No, I put in 11 straight hours in the hospital, right? I feel a migraine coming.
Okay. Let me go straight to it. Tiwa is in town. I have invited her an appearance over to the house, yes, this Saturday, and you have to be there.
Oh, you gave me your word. You said you will not match me anymore, right?
You gave me no choice. You refused to get a girlfriend. Your work would permit you to even search for one, so I'm trying to bridge in the gap and help you out.
Oh, Tiwa is my friend, all right? We can work things out. Don't match me.
Oh, she likes you, and I know you like her, you know, don't you?
All right. Okay, fine. Well, Mom, if I accept you, Tiwa, would you at least allow me to go back to bed?
Yes, I will. Good. Deal. And, you know what? I know you are making perfect couple, don't you think so?
I think so.
Sure. See ya. Sure. Be there. Bye.
Baby. Look at you. Okay.
Hi.
You sleep well?
Not really. I'm not complaining.
You can't complain. Not after everything you did to me last night. You can't complain. What do you want to do today?
I don't know. Depends on you.
I'm at your service.
Aren't you supposed to go see your wife today?
Baby, there's nothing I'm supposed to do, okay? But she's with her parents. Let them take care of her. Alright?
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
Baby's need to go up next. What happens?
What happens? I'm going to sort this out, baby. I told you, okay? Believe me. But I promise you, we will be together, okay? I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Okay? You always make perfect too.
Perfect in everything.
Are you everything? Everything plus one?
Born with a blind tablet mind. Now stand with what's spoken over time. Pain cuts down like spilled rain, blinding my mind's eye to reality.
I'm just tired. It's my boss is talking, maybe. Walk. One time. Yes, yes. Is that not Joshua?
Of course it's Joshua. But who is the girl?
My dear, I don't know. That's not the first time I'm seeing him with that particular girl. Yes. The day after Tess had an accident, I saw them at the mall shopping together.
Really? Ah. But I hear she's paralyzed from her waist down.
Yeah.
I tried visiting her at the hospital, but they wouldn't allow non-family members see her.
So did I. The doctor said the same thing. It's unfortunate. So I don't know what to say.
You see this life we are. This life is so unfair.
Are you telling me?
My dear friend Tess is sitting in a wheelchair, while her so-called husband is here gallivanting with another woman. Too bad.
This guy, please. So are you coming to the office early enough tomorrow? Oh, goodness.
Teresa, what you're doing to yourself is not healthy. You refuse to eat, refuse to shout, scream at everyone, and push your children away from you.
How are you sure that Joshua wants us back?
Stop talking like a crazy person. Stop it!
When was the last time he came here to see me? Or his kids?
I spoke to him. He has been busy at work.
And you believed him? What was I thinking?
Listen, if you know you want to keep what is left of your marriage, you better start acting right. You know you can't stay here forever. You know that.
So I'm a burden to you.
Yes, you can't stay here forever. You know that.
Gladys, what is it? Why are you shouting?
Ask her.
I have told you before. Leave this girl alone. Leave her what? Alone!
Okay. I have left her.
If I say yes, say only, say me, say I will say no again. That you wanna play me. If I say yes, say only.
Oh, that can't be it. Hello? Yes, please send somebody in. Yes, Ronnie. I thought you said you responded to the inquiry that Martinez sent in.
I did.
Well, I just got a mail from him saying that he hasn't received any response from this.
But I did as instructed.
Okay, please do it. This time around, copy.
Yes, sir.
Baby, you know this is official.
Okay.
You have to understand, sometimes I have to be stern. Okay?
I understand.
I know you're upset. Come here. Come here, baby. Don't be like that, okay? coming? Get out! The stupid bitch.
Such a good idea. I know it will make you better.
Really? Wow.
Tell me when I get home.
Routine. Okay.
Born with a blind tablet mind. Now stand with what's spoken over time. Been cast down like
Wow. Okay, what are we celebrating? Mini? What do you mean, Mini me? Are you saying?
Yeah, that's what you're thinking.
Oh my god, you're kidding, right?
No, not.
When did you find out?
Today, I went to see Dr. Ruben during lunch.
Yes! Yeah! Goodness! Now we should celebrate.
Yeah.
And I know just how to celebrate with you, baby. Give me that.
Okay.
What? Me? Are you sure? You're not kidding me, baby. You sure? You sure, baby? So there's something in here? Oh, you're my darling. I love you. I love you. We're gonna have twins. Or quadruplets. What do you think?
Just a boy.
Just a boy? What do you want? 2 boys? Boy, girl? Just one boy. Okay, I can live with that. Girl, so this is good. This is good. I love you, baby.
I love you.
So much. You can have many running around the house.
a world where a neighbor's carries my home. Riding on the breeze of peace, knowing the future is assured.
Hi, Mom. Your son is here.
Morning, Mom.
I'm not speaking with you.
Mom, I know. I know you're still upset I missed your dinner. I'm so sorry. I had an emergency at the hospital.
Look, Robert, you really embarrassed me. Otumba, his wife, his lovely daughter Tiwa were expecting you. How could you do that?
Mom, I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault. One of my patients regressed, so I had to be called in.
You see? That's why I said you should quit. You refuse. I wonder what you see in that hospital job of yours. How much are they paying you? They're not paying you much. After all, your father has given you everything one can ask of. A big mansion, you have cars, you have money. You are a millionaire.
Oh, Mother, in case you have forgotten, I studied psychology. That makes me a psychologist. Mom, I love what I do.
But it's not letting you live your own life. I mean, I want you to settle down, get married, have kids. I want grandchildren, Robert.
Mom, I think I have a thing.
Shut up.
Well, since Robert needs a dinner, then he can actually take Tiwa out and make up for it. Think.
Oh, brilliant. That's my girl. I trust you. When it comes to matters like this, trust my girl.
Yes, Mom.
I think so too. Robert, you will take Tiwa out maybe for dinner or lunch or whatever. You owe me that. Huh?
All right.
Fine.
How are you feeling now? Well, I'm in a wheelchair. That's why I'll be living for the rest of my life. Relax, let me do this. Come on, Tess. Don't sound so defeated. Don't you believe God can work a miracle?
Don't you dare tell me about God. Where was God when I was pushed down the stairs?
by Joshua.
No, Tess. Please don't talk that way. That's blasphemy and you know it. Come on, Tess. Everything will be fine. Just take it easy, please.
Tess, are you telling me that Joshua pushed me? Joshua pushed me down the stairs. He tried to trick me into signing the divorce papers. When I told it, he beat me up and pushed me down the stairs, but no one would believe me. Come on, it's okay. At least you're alive and well. That's the most important thing, my best. Take care of it, please.
I don't like this. I don't like it one bit.
Please, okay? You promise you'll be patient and let me handle this.
That was before I found out I was pregnant.
Please.
No. The next thing you say now is that you can't live under the present country. And if you do that, I'll abort this pregnancy and leave the country.
So how can you say that? How can you say you will abort our baby?
You'd better sort this out with time, because I don't want my baby to be born illegitimately.
Look, I'm gonna handle this. I promise you. Trust me. Look, I'm going to her parents this evening, okay? I will start dropping the hints, okay? Don't be like that.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Now stand with what's spoken of the time.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, man.
So how is work?
Well, work is fine. We thank God. We really can't complain. How is my wife?
My wife is doing fine.
Okay.
She's alright.
Oh, great.
I have a friend who helps people get mates.
Okay.
I will call her tomorrow.
Oh, great. I really love that. Because having to eat out all the time is really costing me a lot of money.
It is like being a bachelor again.
Exactly. That's not fun at all. That's not fun.
Hopefully, she will help you get a maid by next week.
Okay.
So you can take your family home.
Oh, fantastic. It's just, I would like, if she's able to get us a maid by next week, they probably still have to stay here, just to give me time to clear up my table and walk. Yes.
It's okay. There's no problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. My darlings. How are you?
Go back home.
You want to go back home? Okay, don't worry. We'll go home soon, okay? Daddy will come and take you. Okay?
She's got mental! Teresa! This is me watching it!
Out of desperation, out of frustration, right out of shame, shout out my
Daddy, I lost you! I love you.
Out of desperation, out of frustration, cry out my
masterpiece of credible fantasy. The political juggernauts and their agitations are all balderdash. I have just come to experience a strange mechanism of legal torture and judicial slaughter. For a man who has just been salvaged from the shackles of social deprivation, well, I think they are all mad. They are all mad.
Out of desperation, out of frustration,
I've just gone through your daughter's file. Her case isn't desperate. She's going through severe emotional instability and depression, but that can be taken care of.
Doctor, are you sure she's not going mad?
Mad is a strong word. We prefer to use the term unstable. Yeah, she's passing through what we call psychological trauma. It's normal for anyone who has been through a kind of accident.
Will she be okay?
She will be fine. She will. We'll keep her here for quite a while for observation and proper medical surveillance to be sure she doesn't degenerate into manic depression.
Okay. For how long?
Say 6 to 8 weeks. But if she improves before then, we will definitely discharge her. Oh, take it easy, man. She will be fine. I can assure you that.
It's all right, doctor.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Just imagine that. She attacked me because she's mad. She's a loony. She's gone bonkers. Don't mind her. But what? She blames me for everything now.
She's frustrated.
Frustrated? She's lucky. She's very lucky. In fact, this marriage is over. I'm sure her parents know that I won't be stupid enough to take her back.
Teresa, my name is Robert, and I'm your psychologist. I'm going to talk to you about what happened a few days ago.
Don't you talk to me like I am some freaking innocent.
Alright, I'm sorry. But I want us to talk about what happened that evening. Why you stabbed your husband.
11 years of my life I gave to that bastard. 2 beautiful children. What did he do to me? He pushed down the stairs.
But from what I was told, you fell down.
What you were told? Is that what you're going to listen? No, you listen to me. Is that what you're going to take? Or what I tell you, it happened to me. It happened to me.
All right. I'll listen to you, okay? But you have to calm down first.
Don't you tell me to calm down. I hate anybody who tells me to calm the hell down. It happened to me. You hear me? It happened to me.
this point, we'll have to give you something to calm your nerves down, all right? But they won't hurt, right? Trust me, you'll be fine.
Okay. I'm sorry. Don't give me this crazy thoughts. I'm not crazy. You just have to listen to me. I am not crazy.
Okay.
Don't! Jimmy! No!
My in-laws, you know why I am here. Joshua's mother is not feeling too well.
We know. And we regret Joshua's mother's illness. But as it is, why don't you take something? The house help is bringing it, and then we can talk.
But as I said earlier, I will decline anything for now.
My in-law has come here with a grudge.
Gladys, please. We are listening.
Well, I don't want to go into details of what happened between your daughter and our son. But our son has told us that he is no longer interested in marriage.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Ah, Joshua. Just like that.
Just like that. Look at me. Look at what she did to me. She wants to kill me. Okay, what if I take her back and then she wakes up in the middle of the night and decides to stab me to death?
It hasn't come to that now.
Let me do the talking, Joshua.
Hi.
Joshua here will take care of the children's upkeep and pay their school fees.
Baby girl, you better be careful. Lover boy, listen to me. I've got a question for you. Are you a Hersey or a boyfriend? I wanna know.
Do you know that the constructors of this wheelchair are symbolic of man's dynamism and eschatological malapropism?
But listen, get out of here.
I can see you are not interested in man's ingenuity. You insecure.
I said, get away from me, you crazy fool! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Get out of here! Get out of here, bastard! Get away from me!
That was the malapropism.
Leave me alone! What? Leave me alone! Down on bended knees. You said you'll be there for me. To brighten up my life.
Hi, Teresa. I'm going to have another session with you tomorrow. And I would really like you to cooperate. Because the sooner you do that, the sooner you get to leave here. And of course, you get to see your kids.
Don't you dare mention my kids.
Well, at this point, they should be important to you. Don't just think about yourself. Think about your kids as well. Alright, why don't we talk about something a little different? Tell me about your childhood. Teresa. Teresa. Alright, if you won't talk about your childhood, I'll talk about mine.
Only my parents call me Teresa.
Alright, what do I call you then?
Mrs. Edme.
Fine. Mrs. Edme. I see where you're getting to, so understand it. So, will you tell me about your childhood?
Born with a blind type of mind. Now stand with what's spoken over time. Pain cuts down like spilled rain. blinding my mind's eye to reality. Thoughts battling for expression, pitched intent by events unfolding. A world where words still find voice and voice, not words to say. Out of desperation, out of frustration, I cry out.
So, she's refusing to cooperate. She refuses to speak during sessions. She won't take her drugs. She fights and screams. She's a bit difficult. Difficult.
Do you think she will get better at this rate?
Well, yes, she would. But we'll keep her here for longer than I envisaged. God. She will be fine, sir.
Hello, my little baby. Baby girl, how are you? How was school today? Fine. My dear, you're welcome. Okay, now go in and change, yeah? Go in and change. I'm coming in to give you your lunch.
Okay. I'll see you guys soon. Mama?
Mama, what is it? It's your sister. Your sister has come again. She seems to be getting worse. The doctor said that she refuses to take her drugs and cooperate with the doctors and nurses. Can you imagine? See what this Teresa is putting me through.
What is wrong with Tess, eh? Does she want to stay there forever?
God forbid. It's not my daughter.
May I have to go and see her tomorrow, eh? I need to talk some sense into her. Eh?
Good. 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 Good.
Ready? Ready? I've been calling you, baby.
Hi.
Sweetheart, you shouldn't be drinking alcohol. It's bad for the baby.
Baby, it's okay. It's good for morning sickness.
Says who?
Dr. Ruben. Actually saw him when I went for antenatal.
Dr. Ruben said that?
Yeah, he did. He said it's okay.
Sweetheart.
Baby, he said so.
No, I'm not convinced, okay?
Why?
Yeah, I don't like it. I'm not comfortable. You shouldn't drink alcohol. Not with the baby, okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Hey, guess what? I finally told my uncle about us.
Really?
Well, I told him that I met someone that I really, really care about, and I want to marry her.
And what did you say?
Well, he said that it was too early to bring someone into the house. You know, I mean, especially as Tess is crippled now and she's on a wheelchair. And besides, we need to get through with the divorce.
See, the baby will be born before this year runs out. How long do I have to wait?
I know, sweetheart, okay? I know, but we need to tread softly.
Joshua, see, I'm actually sick and tired of your excuses, okay? It's either you get married to me before this baby is born, or I'll leave. The choice is yours to make, okay?
Come on, Rennie, don't be like that. Come on, Rennie. Rennie.
I'm leaving for UK next Monday, and I decided to pop in and see before I leave.
Okay. Oh, that's very nice of you. Forgive me, I've not been able to come see you. I've been caught up with work and time just zooms by. I'm sorry. Can I get you something to drink?
Brandy, wine, if you have some.
Are you kidding me? Of course I have brandy.
Aren't you drinking?
Nah, I don't drink on an empty stomach. Besides, I am so tired.
Let's go for dinner.
Dinner. Nah, that's not okay for me. Like I told you, I am so tired. All I want to do is go up there, take a shower, find something little to eat, and trash it. I'm sorry. I must seem like a jerk, right?
Yeah, you're a jerk, but a nice, polite, hardworking jerk.
You can say that again. All right, I'll fix you something. Maybe noodles. That's all I can manage.
Since this is unannounced visit, so why can't you go upstairs, have your shower, then make the noodles?
Really? Sure.
Yeah. Sure. So, see? Have your shower before I change my mind.
Okay. Fine. If you say so. Okay, now the kitchen. That way. Let's go to the left. Okay?
That's a game of a game. Reality I bring comes crashing like a train. Love at last. Oh, outshine.
Stop. You make this sound like a gourmet meal.
Believe me, when one is hungry, any meal is just good.
Sweetie, your mommy said that you work too hard.
My mom says a lot of things. Try not to listen to her.
Oh, sweetie, come to think of this, don't you think you need to give yourself a break?
Yeah, I know. I just took a 2-day break. Starting tomorrow.
Hey, wow, it's nice.
Yep, I realized I just may be coming down with a fever, so I decided to take a break so I can de-stress.
Oh, that means I came at the right time. You know, people used to tell me that I'm famous.
Really? And people used to tell me that I'm a bad and naughty patient.
You know what? I can take care of that.
Thanks for dinner.
Oh no, I should be the one that you rescued me from starvation.
Okay,
Thank you. I should be going. But I'll come back to check if you're resting or you're sleeping the last book.
I won't sleep too. I'll rest. And thank you all today.
I lay my burdens down. love again. Reality I bring comes crashing like a train. Love at last, oh outshine. I've been a product of pain, gained to me like so vain. The promises you made so vague. Never want to doubt your love, but love it's up and down. When a world like Kuroni let me becomes Joko let me, oh me Lara turns to me Lara. Baby, can't you see? Aruba if any more check. When you smile, you give me light. When you speak, you give me life. When you leave, you give me joy. Out of the circle of time to the circle of joy. I hope say no big game, that you wanna play me. If I say yes, say only say me leshe. I hope say no big game, that you wanna play me. If I say yes, say only say me leshe. Down on bended knees, you said you'll be there for me. To brighten up my life, and put some sunshine in my eyes. Cause you're down on bended knees. You said you'll be there for me. To brighten up my life, and put some sunshine in my eyes. My mama told me, one day Sianya, umuweke kiawo. Ooh, baby girl, you better be careful.
Where are you taking me to? Eh? Oh, they have made me to finally do it. I will not die. You hear me? I refuse. Jesus, what is this? What is this place? Get me away from here! Oh God, no, no! I cannot see it! Out! Take me away from here! You don't want to kill me here! I will not die! I will not die! I will not get.
Born with a blind tablet mind. Now stained with what's spoken over time. I'm coming.
Wow! Siwa! Guess who we got here? Honey. Hi, darling. Are you serious? Anyway, I'm good. Oh, what's up with you?
Nothing. I'm just here to bless your brother back to good health.
Oh. Next that one is alcoholic anyways.
I should instruct security not to allow you into his compound.
Sorry, brother. You can't. Besides, you two, why did you run? If you two knew you were going to pick up, you should have saved money, hadn't you?
Your mother just likes me. That is the way she is.
Well, anyway, I'm traveling to Switzerland in 2 weeks' time, and okay, but I'll stop by in London to see Dad. So, do you have any message for him?
You mean you came down here just to give me such mundane information? Are you allergic to mobile?
What? How does the rapper know I drive a new car?
You shame me, Daisy.
Whatever. Well, I'm providing service to the emergency and gossip to the jobless.
Hold on. Lizzie. Come in.
Oops.
You should have called me before you came. I mean, what if I wasn't home? Sit, please.
I need to talk to you.
So, what's the problem?
I know you've been very busy, but the children really need to see you. Especially now that my sister isn't around. Mara cries every night asking after you.
I know. And I promised your mom I was going to come pick them up by the weekend, but I've been so tired out. I had to skip work for several days. I mean, what your sister did to me.
I know. And I'm sorry.
It's okay. I still have, a lot of work to do. There's a whole lot of backlog to do. But I promise, next weekend, I'll come pick them up. Okay?
Darling. Sugar. Is this the cake you were supposed to come?
I was going to get it, actually.
I better leave now.
Okay, that's alright. I promise I'll see you, next weekend, okay? I'll come pick them up. Okay, it's my regards to everybody, okay?
No problem.
Bye.
Who was that and what did she want?
That's Lizzie, Tess' sister.
Oh, I see. I guess it's money she came for.
Well, not really. She actually came because of the children.
I hope she's not suggesting they come back here.
They're my children. They can come here if they want.
I'm not going to feel comfortable with them around.
Why not?
I'm not just going to feel comfortable. Abba, at least not in my condition. You can go and visit them for now, but they can't come here.
Rennie. Come on, baby, don't feel like that. Baby?
What happened to her?
She kept banging her head on the door. She refused to eat or take her meds. We tried to clean her up, but she gets really vicious. There's a limit to sedatives. We can minister to her.
Oh, Jesus. Why didn't anyone call me? Nurse, get a stretcher. Fast. Hey. How do you feel?
My head really hurts. It feels very sore.
Alright. I've given you something for that. And you have a fever as well. You also need to take in more fluid. For the first time, I'm seeing a smile. Seems tonight is going to be a good night.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night.
Okay, you are singing as well.
My toes is moving. I feel something on my toes. What does it mean?
What?
Yeah, I can feel it now. What does that mean? Is that a good sign?
Yes, it's...
Okay, so tell me, what does it mean?
It means a lot.
What does it mean? Tell me, please.
It means that You are not going to be confined to the wheelchair all your life.
You mean that I will actually be able to walk again someday? Is that what it means?
Yes.
Sweet Jesus, thank you. Thank you. This is the best news ever.
That's a game, love a game. Reality I bring comes crashing like a train.
Thanks a lot.
Aren't you eating now?
Nah, I had something before you came in, but I'll put the food in the refrigerator.
Okay, but make sure you eat this food because I made it myself.
I will.
So when are you announcing your engagement?
Huh? What engagement? Mom, I don't understand what you're talking about.
What I was told that you and Tiwa are hitting it well like a house on fire.
Tiwa and I are friends. Good friends.
That's not what I heard.
Mom. All right. Mom, Tiwa is really a nice person. Okay, but I can settle down with her.
Why? What do you mean by that? I mean, Tiwa, she's a nice girl from a very good family, well-read, and she's beautiful.
Well, I don't love her. End of story.
What do you mean by you don't love her?
Mom, please, I need to go get dressed for work, right? I'm running late.
But mind you, this discussion is not over yet.
All right, fine. Mom, I love you. You know I love you, right? I love you very, very, very much.
Thank you.
Please
Thank you.
stay out of my private life.
Good. But we'll continue with this discussion very soon. Very soon.
Okay.
Good. So, what are you waiting for? Oh.
Hello there.
Hey, Dr. Mika Johnson.
Hi, Mrs. Henry. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Well, I just wanted to check up on you, see how you're doing.
I'm fine.
All right, since I've established that, I have to run. I have a couple of sessions, so let me get to it.
Okay.
All right.
Dr. Micah Johnson?
Yes.
I'm just asking. When do I get to leave here?
Until the resident psychologist gives you the all clear.
Can you please get him to do that? Why not?
Because I am the resident psychologist. And I haven't given you the whole clear signal.
But doctor, I am fine. I'm fine.
Yes, you are fine. Physically. But emotionally, I can say.
Doctor, I can tell you that emotionally, I am fine. I swear it. I'm fine.
Huh? Really?
Yes. Fine.
You stabbed your husband. You acted violently. You are antagonistic to your family and kids, and the best part of it, you try to kill yourself.
Doctor, look. I am not proud of all that. But I promise you that I am fine. I
I am better. I just want to go home. I want to start my life anew. It will never happen again. Please.
Alright. Tell you what. I'll schedule a couple of sessions with you within a span of 2 weeks. If you impress me with your mental progress, I'll personally sign your release papers. Deal?
Deal?
Deal.
Yeah.
Alright.
2 weeks.
Alright.
Thank you.
That's a game, love a game. Reality I bring comes crashing like a train. Love at last, oh outshine. I've been a product of pain, gained to me look so vain. The promises you made so vague. Never want to doubt your love, but love it's up and down. When a world like Kuroni let me becomes Jokosi let me. Oh me Lara, turns to me Lara. Baby can't you see, Aruba if any no check. When you smile, you give me light. When you speak, you give me life. When you leave, you give me joy. Out of the circle of time to the circle of joy. I hope say no big game that you wanna play me. If I say yes, say only say me let's say.
How are you?
Tata, alright, me I want for the player right to go now. The project keeping me here all day. I tire, I won't go.
Alright.
Sorry, I'm asking after Dr. Miko Johnson.
Okay, I am Dr. Miko Johnson. What, you? You were expecting someone older?
Well, actually, I was.
It's alright, I get that all the time. So how may I help you?
Lizzie Gerego. We got a call from the hospital that a member of the family was needed.
Okay.
Seriza Ebe is my sister. She's a patient.
Oh, really? Sorry about that. You're welcome.
Thank you. Sorry, please. So, how is my sister doing?
Yeah, she is fine. She's okay. Actually, she will be discharged tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's nice.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
And that is why I called you.
Okay.
Yeah. During my sessions with her, she kept on insisting that her husband pushed her down the stairs.
That's what she kept saying.
You believe her?
Honestly, I don't know what to do.
You know, I actually believe her. Yes. I believe that someone pushed her down the stairs.
Her husband?
Obviously. You see, I've been in this profession for quite a while. I know when someone is telling the truth or just speaking from imagination. I believe she was pushed. But it's alright.
They're actually with Auntie Vera. They are so happy, causing chaos and adding more grey hair to our dyed hair.
Saves her, right? Do they miss me? And the children?
They miss you very much. Especially now that Joshua doesn't even come to see them. But Maria prays for you every night. I'm so happy they don't hate me. They can't hate you. They definitely can't. Yeah, they were just surprised about everything that happened, but they cannot hate you, Tess. Tess, I believe you. Yes. You do? Yes. I believe that Joshua pushed you down. I know you might not be able to prove it, and I might not be able to prove it too. But everything inside me tells me that Joshua pushed you down. And I'm going to stand by you in whatever decision you want to take against him. Listen, thank you. This means a whole lot to me. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I bet you're psyched to go home tomorrow, right? No, that's not the answer I was expecting.
I don't think I'm ready to go home. Face my parents' criticism, especially my mother.
Tess, don't let anyone into your head, or you may face another psychological meltdown.
But coming back to live with the same people who think that I am the architect of my problems. What difference does it make? It doesn't make it any better.
You know, you could come stay with me. Yes. I live in a big house, all alone. You could stay in the guest room. Your kids can stay as well. I'm not.
Of course, you know that's not possible. I couldn't possibly do. Why would I want to impose myself on you?
You are not imposing yourself on me. I'm offering.
No. I could never stay with you. I mean, what will people say? What will...
You shouldn't care about what people say, right? I'm fine with it, as long as you're okay with it.
No, I am not. Okay. Doctor, thank you for offering. I mean, you're the nicest person I've seen, but no, I can't live with you.
All right.
Okay, so, Doc, I actually talked to my sister and actually convinced her to put up with you, at least for now, till she gets better.
Okay, fine.
But there's something you must also understand. She's still married to Joshua.
Of course I know that. Hey, look, I'm not trying to take advantage of her, all right? I'm only lending a helping hand. And also, it's important for me to observe her for a while, and to be sure there will be no relapse. Once I'm certain she's fine, that's it. You guys can take it from there.
Okay, thanks. So, thank you.
That's all right. You're welcome.
That's a game, love a game. Reality I bring comes crashing like a train. Love at last, oh outshine. I've been a product of pain, gained to me look so vain. The promises you made so vague. Never want to doubt your love, but love it's up and down. When a world like Kuroni let me becomes Jokosi let me. Oh me Lara, turns to me Lara. Baby, can't you see? I would buy if any more chair. When you smile, you give me light. When you speak, you give me light.
This can't possibly be his house.
Okay, here we go.
Are you sure you were just a psychiatrist?
I don't see how you can afford all this luxury with your salary.
Well, this isn't paid for with my salary. I have other sources of income. My name is Robert Baker Johnson. My father is Chief General Baker Johnson.
Is it the same Chief Baker Johnson that owns Mirage Shippings?
I understand he has just one son.
Yes. Give me a minute. The room must be there for you. Let me make sure it's all.
Yeah, we're gonna need this one and that one also. Yeah.
All right. It's not like I'm doubting you. It's your field, but I think why don't we take this and put it here?
It's like you.
I'm sorry. I actually thought it was Lizzie.
Oh, no, it's all right. It's not Lizzie. This is Dr. Aiden.
Hello. Tess. I've heard so much about you. You're beautiful.
Wow. And that's my girl. Dr. Evelyn Issa is my good friend, a physiotherapist. She is here to help you learn how to use your legs again.
Yeah, that's right, okay? And trust me, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna walk again, okay?
Okay. Are you not going to work today?
Me? Nah. Today is my day off, so I'm just gonna go see my mom. All right, I'll leave you ladies to get to it. But hey, don't worry. You are in safe hands.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. Like I was saying, we're gonna walk again, okay? We're gonna have to do some examination on you. After that, we're gonna take it from there, okay? We're gonna.
But I mean, I don't know. It's
Don't worry. Come on. Don't worry. It's going to work, okay? Just believe. All right? Okay. Let me know if you feel anything, okay? All right. You feel this? Okay. How about this? You feel something there? Okay, like a thing of pain like that, like somebody pricks you with a needle.
That's the spot.
Good. That's good. That's just what we need, all right? We're gonna teach you how to walk again, like a baby, all right? It's not gonna be easy, okay? But if you are determined, you'll pull through. I can assure you that. All right, so if you're ready, we can start now. Sure, that's the spirit. All right, so let's get you outside so we can begin. All right, okay, take it easy. All right,
Pick two. You know, you're such a big shit. I just hate playing games with you.
You're a sore loser. Pick two.
You know what? I'm not playing again. What is it? You just go around cheating and cheating. I'm tired. I'm not playing again.
I won.
You did not win. You cheated.
No, please. But you know, Dr. Robert is hot shower. I just wish I was the one in a wheelchair and living here with him.
You know, you're so disgusting. Honestly.
Don't tell me you have not noticed.
Noticed what? I don't look at him in that light.
Me, I look cool. If I was there, I would have jumped him since.
You know what? There's something somewhere there. Could you help me pick it up?
Anyone?
I didn't want to get everybody's hopes high. I just wanted to be sure.
So you didn't tell anyone? How did you get the crutches?
started feeling the tickling sensation on my toes. I told Dr. Robert. And he got me the clutches.
This is a miracle. Mama.
Please, can you take me to I want to see her and make her wait. Seriously, I would love to be around. But she's not very well. She's better than she is. So Teresa hates me now. So my daughter hates me now. I will take the mission before I have seen my own child. My own daughter hates me now. Tonight. No problem. No problem.
Born with a blind tablet mind. Now stand with what's spoken over time. Pain cuts down like spilled rain, blinding my mind's eye to reality. Thoughts battling for expression. Pitched intent by events unfolding. A world where words define voice and voice, not words said.
You like what you say?
Out!
Oh, sorry.
I'm
sorry.
I didn't mean to.
I'm sorry. It was my fault. Sorry.
I didn't mean to stare at you. I actually thought you were sleeping.
I'm sorry. Please, can you... Can you sit for a while?
Okay.
I'll help you.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. You are very beautiful. I wonder why any man in his right senses would want to hurt you or even leave you.
Robert, I have 2 children. And most parts of my body have gone south. Been through much more stress than you can ever imagine.
Tess, you have an inward beauty. All that stress in childbirth only edifies. It's in there.
Okay. You're very handsome, hardworking, rich. Why are you still single?
Oh, believe me, if I fall in love with a girl today, I'll marry her tomorrow. I'm such a sucker for love.
Falling in love could not be that hard, could it?
Trust me, it is.
No, Lizzie. Come in. What's up, Doc?
What? This guy? See me? You're welcome.
Come on, sit down.
What was that about?
What? What was what?
That.
We were just talking.
Talking. I hear you. Anyways, Mama is so upset that she can't see you. She was almost in tears as I was leaving the house.
I'm not ready to face them yet.
What about your children? Don't you think they deserve to see you?
I miss them. I miss them so much. I would really want to see them.
Listen. Tess, you have to forgive Mama and Papa. God has given you a great miracle, and you cannot celebrate that by keeping your family at arm's length. Please. For my sake.
Hey.
Hey, you. You seem lost. You alright?
Yeah, I am lost in my own world without my own walls.
Tess, I've told you before, you need to break down those walls. You need to forget about the past and start living again.
Dog. You don't have an idea what I've been through. And you will never know what I have been through in this life.
But wait a minute. What is even there to understand?
Stand with what's spoken over time. Pain pressed down like spilled rain, blinding my mind's eye to reality. Thoughts battling for expression, caged intent by events unfolding. A world where words can find.
If you don't mind, I would like to show you something. But not here. We'll have to leave the room. All right.
Okay.
Easy. Wait. Yeah. All right, hang on. And wait, you also don't mind that. I would like to
Imagine a tomorrow without love. I say, imagine a tomorrow without joy. Imagine a tomorrow without love.
The cake is really long.
No. Out of seven. I can't have my way.
It's not easy at all. Being blind and good okay. Are we there yet?
Almost there. Almost
Are we there?
Yeah.
Are we there?
We're almost. We're almost there.
Going to
Okay. No. Pause it. Even one more step. All right. Hang on. Really?
Please.
All right.
Woohoo.
Love at last, oh outshine. I've been a product of pain, into lyrics so vain. The promises you made today, never going to doubt your love. Love is no doubt. When a world like Kuroni Lemi becomes Jokosi Lemi, oh Mimi Lara turns to Milara. Baby, can't you see? Aruba if any no check. When you smile, you give me light. When you speak, you give me life. When you leave, you give me joy. Out of the circle of time to the circle of joy. I hope say no big game that you wanna play me. If I say yes, say only say me leshe. I hope say no big game that you wanna play me. If I say yes, say only say me leshe. Down on bended knees, you said you'll be there for me. To brighten up my life, and put some sunshine in my eyes. Cause you're down on bended knees. You said you'll be there for me. To brighten up my life, and put some sunshine in my eyes. My mama told me.
Why?
House guest.
House guest. I see. Okay, so let's go. Let's go to work. I'll be back in the day. By house guest, mean you live with him?
Yes. Temporarily. I'm still in the most quarters.
Alright, tell him I came to you.